Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. And I'm doing something I don't think I ever did a video for this one. I know I haven't. I'm going to give you something here. I promise y'all this week. This recipe is very simple. It has a lot of ingredients in it, but it's simple to put together. It's like putting together really like a banana nut bread or zucchini bread, but it's a different concept. Today I'm making old school corn fritters. Very simple recipe, very easy. It's really not a lot to it. Okay, before I get started, I don't say this enough. I guess I do, maybe I don't. I need y'all to share, like, and subscribe to the channel. They say I don't say that enough. So please share and like and subscribe to the channel and the video also, and I'll tell you that at the end also. But anyway, let me get started. Very simple recipe. I got AP flour here. I got a deep fry heating up on 350. You can do it in a pot, in a skillet, in a deep pot with deep oil in it too. But I have a deep fryer to make it more convenient, so that's how I'm gonna do it today. So I got AP flour in here. I'm gonna mix all my jar together. I got baking powder. I got move this over here. Got baking powder here. You're gonna put all your jar in here first. Baking powder, I got cinnamon, nutmeg in there. Put my granulated sugar in here. A little salt. And the recipe, like I said, is on the description in the video. So if I go too fast and y'all miss something, y'all can go back and look at the video in the description. Okay, I'm gonna mix the dry together real good. Very simple. And now I'm gonna add the cold butter to this. Gonna mix it together in here like somewhat like biscuits kinda mix it together, because it's like it's a reason you do this, because you want a nice fluffy corn fritter. You don't want a heavy corn fritter. That's why in the end we're gonna fold egg whites in it. But what I want to do, you can do this with your hand or biscuit dough cutter, but I just use a fork and it don't take that long. And this is gonna make a lot. This makes about 2 or 3 dozen corn fritters. I've been making this recipe for years. I'm proud I never shared it with y'all, but I got a couple of requests. I know corn fritter recipe. I said, oh yeah, I definitely know a corn fritter recipe. The best corn fritter recipe. It's so good. You can smell the cinnamon and nutmeg right now in it. Takes it to another level. Okay. Cut in just a little bit more. Butter in there, cold butter. Alright. Now, we're going to add our eggs in here. Vanilla. And our corn. Remember, this is cream style corn, not whole corn, not corn kernels. This is cream corn. Now I'm gonna add milk in this just to incorporate it. You say in the recipe add milk, but you want to wait and see how much milk you're gonna need. Because you bake a lot of things like that, you know, sometimes you have the flour is kind of different. So I always add a little milk at the end. I don't pour all the milk at the same time, because I want it to be a certain consistency. And I'm going to show the consistency I'm looking for. A little bit more milk. A little bit more milk, not much. That should do it. Now, we got egg whites to put in here, but what we're going to do, we're going to fold the egg whites in. So I'm going to whip the egg whites up in a bowl. Then we're going to fold them in. And that's going to give us the final mixture. And then we're going to fry them off. So that's it on this part. Now, like I said, I got a couple of egg whites. See how much milk I had left? It's like I say, sometimes you use more milk, depending on the flour. Because like I say, sometimes if you bake enough, all flour doesn't soak up the same. It doesn't. That's why you gotta be in the baking. It's very precise, and Sometimes wonder why my cake or what is. Sometimes it's actually flour. So anyway, I got some egg whites here. I'm gonna cut off. I'm gonna step back here because I don't want to be running the mixer while y'all talking. Y'all, you never hear what I'm saying. So I'm gonna whip up the egg whites, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna fold it right in. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, this is what you want on your see that? That's what you want on your egg whites. Move this out the way. Now, the reason I put egg whites in here is gonna make your batter extra light. We already got one leavening agent. Leavening agent means you have to rise. We're gonna put another one in there to make sure it's very light. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold these egg whites in here. Fold it in. We're gonna give it a real nice, airy texture here. Just fold them in there. That's all you're gonna do. Fold off there. Nice light corn fritter. Light and airy. My recipe makes a lot because let me tell you, once you eat these things and somebody tastes them, you're gonna really I can eat a dozen of these just sitting around, you know. Okay, now we got that done. Now what we gonna do here? Clean this up here, got a little splatter here. We're gonna fry them off. I got my deep fry here, 350 degrees. You can go to 370 if you want to or whatever. But I do 350. I just take a scoop here. You just scoop them in, just like hush puppies. That's all you do. It'll be nice and light and airy. You can make them bigger if you like. It's a nice bite size that I like. And that's it. We're gonna let them cook there. Come back and I like to shape my things so they come to the top. See that? You definitely don't want to overcrowd your fryer because you'll have they won't fry. They'll pretty much they'll be like steaming. You don't want that. And you want to kind of flip them over too. I'm gonna fry just a little. Just let them cook. I'm gonna move my camera up so y'all can kind of see what they're doing here. Pretty much. That's it. Okay, we're gonna let them fry here, and I'm gonna be right back, and I'm gonna do another batch. I'm gonna try to do like 2 or 3 dozen of these things. Like I say, these things are so good. 1 or 2 is not enough. You'll see when you start eating them. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, these are ready to come out. See how pretty these are? And I'm gonna put it in my pan here. I'm gonna drain them off in my pan. Put this back in. See how pretty and light? These are so light, y'all. And I'm gonna do some more. Get my thing here. Just say these are so easy. Only the hardest part is waiting on is the egg whites. It's good on fish, chicken, whatever. I like to eat mine with syrup. You can use honey. I like to get me some ribbon cane syrup or some burr rabbit syrup and dip it in. Shoot, you talking about a meal. Just a snack. Sit around and watch TV and eat them. Ain't go wrong, y'all. Okay, let that sit. Shake the basket, let them come up. And that's it, and we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, back for the second batch here to come out. Like I said, I got one more batch to go in. Again, this is golden brown. Come off my fryer there. That's okay. That one out of there, that one kind of stick on me. Alright. Okay. We're going to come back here and we're going to do one more batch. And when I come back, we're going to have them all plated up. So we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back here. Okay, I got them all here. I got about 3 dozen here. And I guarantee you, it may seem like a lot. I guarantee you, if you make this for your family and friends, they will eat every one of these. Like I said, I like to eat mine with syrup. Got a little syrup in there, a little Berry Rabbit syrup. Little corn in there. Nice and, man, this is so good. Nice and tender. Crispy on the outside. Tender and light on the inside. You can see that. Here's the corn. The cinnamon, nutmeg. Remember, you cut the butter in there. So it's nice and buttery too. This recipe can't go wrong. Y'all need to try it out. Like I say, I can sit and eat a dozen of these like nothing. But anyway, give this recipe a thumbs up. Please share, please comment. Please subscribe. Follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and my new one, Twitch, which I'll start uploading later, Twitch TV, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day.